Hi, I'm here today just to introduce myself to you a little bit for my group called Organizing Mind and Space. So my name is Julie Stobbe. I'm a trained professional organizer and a lifestyle organizing coach. I started Mind Over Clutter 12 years ago, and I help clients to reduce their clutter, streamline their systems, and manage their time. Some people want to know, how did you ever get into this business? Well, I'm a naturally organized person, and so way back about 30 years ago, I had heard about the organizing industry, but back then I thought, well, there's no way I could do a business like this. It was so new. NAPO only started about 30 years ago. So I went on my merry way, becoming a teacher. I have a Bachelor of Education and a Bachelor of Science in Kinesiology. And I taught at Brock University in the Faculty of Education department for a number of years. And then my sessional contract was not renewed. And so I went online and thought, so what's happening in professional organizing? And I Googled it, and I found out that there was a Canadian Association, Professional Organizers in Canada. And so I Googled some of the organizers to find out, how do you become one? And I saw that there were courses through Professional Organizers in Canada. I took those courses, I wrote the test, I became a trained professional organizer, and I just jumped in and started a business. No business plan or anything organized like that. I just jumped in. I did subcontracting, I went to networking events and learned as I went. And I'm very happy that I did do this. I love the job because it uses my teaching, so I can teach organizing skills, and it uses the physicality of a kinesiology degree, which is similar to a phys ed degree. So I really like doing all the moving and working with clients and all that physical stuff. And then I decided that I wanted to do coaching, because a lot of my clients, we sit and we talk, and I figured out that really clutter is never about the stuff. It's always about the mind. It's always about how we think about the stuff, how we feel about the stuff that prevents us from letting go of it or helps us to let go of it. So the name Mind Over Clutter came from my daughter. She suggested it. And at first I thought, no, people will get it mixed up with mind over matter. And then I thought about it and thought about it, and I thought, I really like that name. And it suits me so well, because what I really enjoy most is figuring out what my clients are thinking and how they're feeling about their stuff. And by figuring all that out, then I can get them organized in a way that works for them, their personality, their lifestyle, and their situation. So that's how I got from not being an organizer to being an organizer. And I hope that you will share your journey about how you got to do what you're doing. I'd love to hear it.